Imagine a world where your project's sensitive data is shielded from prying eyes. Private flags make this a reality, ensuring only authorized users can access crucial information. Private flags enhance your project's security by allowing project owners to control who views and edits RAID items. This feature is a game changer for maintaining confidentiality in project management. Visibility restrictions ensure that private RAID items remain hidden from unauthorized users. Only project owners and assigned collaborators can view or edit these items, maintaining strict access control. Project owners and workspace admins play a pivotal role in managing privacy. They have the authority to assign access, ensuring that only the right people can interact with private items. Marking dependencies as private has its limitations. Dependencies linked across projects cannot be hidden, ensuring system-wide visibility rules are upheld. When converting RAID items, privacy settings are inherited. This means a private risk converted to an issue remains private, maintaining the integrity of your privacy settings. Toggling privacy settings for RAID items is straightforward. Project owners can switch between private and public, adapting to the project's evolving needs. Stay informed with the notification system for private items. While specific notifications are limited, standard alerts like due dates keep you updated on private RAID items. Our team is always here to help you succeed. Please contact our support team if you need a deeper understanding or some hands-on guidance. Thanks for joining RAIDLOG on our mission to save 1 million projects from failing.